Action.
All right, it's Frank Does a Test Ride Day.
Yeah, this is it. This is the moment of truth. I've got my heavy duty jacket on, I got long pants on. I don't have boots, but that's just the brakes. I've got my British helmet on, and let's see if we can start this thing and get her going. Get her on and get her done. This ought to be interesting. First of all, see if I can get my leg over the back of this bike.
And I'm going to just step here and hold this while you do that, just in case.
That.
Yeah.
Now this should shift like a tramp because the shifter's backwards. So let's find out. All right. It's got a nice low seat actually.
Can you find the key?
Good point.
I can get the key.
Can I find the petcocks?
Yeah. Yeah, there they are. Yep, okay. Key's on.
I'm gonna start it with no choke.
Yep.
Try some choke.
Okay. That's what you wanted. Oh. Let me put your foot peg down. Okay. And we have the return under power. Oh dear, that's not a good sign. Okay, we're on.
Yeah. It ran really well, but the first half of the test. Then it started misfiring and not running so great, and I nursed it back to the middle of this block when it just died. It may be out of gas.
That was my first thought.
But that's the first thing we'll check.
Yeah.
And then it may have gone to a single cylinder bike for a little while there.
Let's see if you can.
Let's see if I can get this thing open. Okay. Let me get a flashlight.
Yep. Wouldn't that be lovely if we're just out of gas?
Yeah. No, the petcocks are both on. So,
Right.
And I don't think we really have a reserve position. Oh yeah.
Dry as a bone, huh?
There's a great lack of liquid.
Yeah, that's good news.
All right, so we will put some more Go Juice in it and do another ride.
Sounds good.
Okay. All right, test ride, take 2. Let's see what happens.
I'd suggest turn the ignition on before you get on the bike so you can find the bloody thing.
Good point.
It'll be a while.
Ignition is on.
Petcocks are open.
on. Bike is warm.
Yes. The rider is warm.
The rider
It's
is
80
warm.
degrees already.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I can still get that leg up.
All right. Amazing how much better it runs with a lot of gasoline in it. And we have a return. Under power sounds really nice. Yeah, gasoline makes a difference. All right, we'll get her inside and get a debrief. All right, take 2 on the debrief on the second ride. Sure sounded a lot better with gasoline.
Oh, I like it. I like it. I could have fun with this. Oh gosh, it runs like a striped 8. Gears work, brakes are incredible. I don't know what's been done to the internals on this engine, whether it's got cams in it or something like that. It has a tendency to idle fast, but then come down. We can check, no, there's play. There's play in the throttle, so I don't think that's it. I think it's just an idiosyncrasy. I think the bike needs to be ridden. And shifting is great. You know, it really is. You just need to get some miles on this bike. There's nothing I would do to it right now before releasing it.
Great.
I'm ready to let it go.
Sounds good.
So, yeah, we'll call it done.
All right.